Is this very cheap AT&T system here. You want to guess how to take the phone off hook or answer a call? Go ahead, guess which one of the buttons. Home flash. What does that mean? Shouldn't it say answer or off hook? Anyway, I find the menu very confusing, and the link to cell never works. Pair cell first. You can't pair the cell. Settings. Select. Where is Bluetooth? It's not in here. Settings, play messages, answers, call block. It does have call block, which is good. Bluetooth, select, device list. Add BT headset is the only option, and that does not link with your cell phone.